Hey guys, good afternoon. What is up? Lucas Woods Life right here right now with a brand new YouTube video. So, not sure where this is going to get posted yet. I assume YouTube. I just went to Chicken and Biscuit here in Nashua, New Hampshire. So let's open up the sandwich. And apparently they're well known for chicken and biscuits, or else they wouldn't be called chicken and biscuits. This is very small, by the way. So let's open it and see what it looks like. Wow, that is a tiny sandwich. It smells flaming hot though. Look at that. Tiny little sandwich. Just like that. Tiny little sandwich. Seems like they took nuggets or tenders or something and then just plopped them on the tiny biscuit. I'm making a mess of myself already. So let's go ahead, dig on in. Biscuit's falling apart. Let's try the biscuit. Nice biscuit. Oh, wow. Good amount of heat. Melt in your mouth chicken. Okay. Maybe not that piece. Wow, that's good. Alright, I'll see you guys in a few. Little update. They just took a piece of chicken tender and folded it. It is what it is. The biscuit, however, fantastic. With honey. They put honey on it too. So that's even more fantastic. So delicious. Full of flavor. Not too hot, not too sweet. There's honey on it too. Such a good little snack. Even though this is technically my lunch. But fantastic. So you got last bite. Alright guys, last bite. Okay, that sandwich from Chicken and Biscuit was fantastic. Full of flavor. Fresh made biscuits. Freshly fried chicken. Nice honey glaze or sauce on it. 10 out of 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. It is all free to do. And I will see you guys on the next YouTube video. Luke's Wood Life is out. Bye.